it's another day, and the van, it is all coming together thanks to my gentleman man friend who's been working just feverishly, slavishly, whatever word it is, on the van. The floor, part of it, almost all of it, kind of, it's done. And let me show you. Look how good that looks. That is some precisionness going on there. We've got the bit going in there, chamfered all the way round. We've got the bit going round the wheel arch there. Yes, we have like a bajillion battens, but the idea is obviously this is going to be the main thoroughfare walk through. The office area is going to go there, the kitchen area is going to go here, which is why on the back bit there we haven't really put as many, just because it's going to be storage, and the bed's going to go over there, I think. So yesterday we did the wheel arches. Well, sorry, I didn't do the wheel arches, Simon did the wheel arches, to be fair. That makes such a difference when you're driving down the road. I got into the van, it was like, oh, I like this. So get yourself that Dodo mat, silent coat stuff, the sound absorbing material, bang it on there, the resonance goes down, you got way less road noise. And guess what? I haven't done a single bit of this because I've just been going, oh, all my legs, all my back, oh, I'm knackered. That's bloody lovely.
Are you happy with it all?
Yeah, turns out might have been a bit prematurely happy because my van man friend pointed out a few things. As you can see, he's labelled them all up because now they're all in, the brilliant thing is we have to take them all up, because when you're doing the floor, even though you're going to have the ply on top, there's still lips and edges here, and you basically want them to be on flush as there as possible. So we're going to take all these out where it's all not quite flush there, sand all that down, sand a bit of those bit down, cut a bit out for there. Now, it might be a bit overkill, but this is the floor. This is like the most important thing. So spending the time, attention to detail on this bit now, it just means that I'm going to sleep tight because it's a bloody good job done bloody well. I'm not just saying that to impress you, by the way. Well, keep you posting because I'm on tea making duty. And today is going to be the day that the floor is done. What we've done is taken up all of the Celotex to expose the floor, because now we've got to go over and sand where the battens, or the noggins are they called, meet battens or the bits of wood. Just by giving it a little bit of a more of a finesse, it should stop things rattling. At least that's the plan. Got to be a half day today. I am shattered. And bear in mind, I've done no work. I've literally just been standing here making cups of tea and stuff. I've done nothing. I have done one thing. Let me show you. This has been inspired by a few channels that have popped out about vans and van related food stuff. I am reviewing Aldi, was it? Yeah, Aldi? Little Aldi. Anyway, Aldi's Jaffa cakes. That's been my job this week. My reviewers so far, yeah, they're all right. Like, share, subscribe. And get to be useful almost. Check it out. That is not a bad cut, that. For being no freehand as well.
Grotty green chair, and it's a lovely for you this afternoon. 64100.
There we are.
You want to keep the wood in the camera there, look. You want to go around there? There you go.